Okay, this is about, typesetting an equation in Word. Of course, LaTeX is very good when you have dozens or hundreds of equations. But if you have a few equations as encountered in short reports or, project reports for students who are more comfortable in Word, I will just show you quickly how you can typeset an equation in Word. And syntax is more or less similar to what you do in LaTeX. Okay. So one way to insert an equation is you click insert in Word and then equation you have to click. That is one way. The other way is alt equal to is a hotkey. So I go insert and then either click equation directly, then you will get an empty equation. Okay. The other option is insert arrow key near the, then if you want any of the standard, templates, you can use them also. I'm not going to use a standard template. I'm going to create an empty equation box by clicking here or by using the alt and equal to key together. So I opened it. Now all these special symbols are available to you, plus, minus, infinity, alpha. This is infinity. This is proportional to cube root, etc. So these symbols are available to you. And there are many more symbols here. Okay. Different types of symbols are also there. So mostly whatever you will get in Word, you will get here also. Anyway, that is one. The other one, different types of fractions, different types of, exponential kind of things, or some ready-made templates are available. You can use it. Now I'm going to show you how this is a ready-made template for minus b by 2a plus r minus b square minus 4ac. But that I will show how you can do it. Then integration, summation, brackets. If you want to typeset a matrix, first you have to choose any of those brackets, and then inside this you have to use a matrix template you want. Anyway, I am going to now type a quadratic equation, roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, I click here. I want to write x1 comma 2 is minus b by 2a plus r minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x, right, underscore 1 comma 2 equal to, right? So minus of b divided by 2a, right? Some, and I say plus or minus square root. I simply, after square root, press a space bar. Once again, press a space bar. You get a box here. So whatever you want to type, you can comfortably type here b square minus, automatically see b caret 2. When I press an operator, it changes. B square minus 4ac is over, right? And then press the right key bar, right arrow, divided by 2a. Okay. So you got this equation. So simple, right? And then next equation I want to do, insert. For example, I want to type a matrix, insert equation. Then for typing a matrix, I want to type a matrix A equal to something. One way is to do this, right? The other way is, so press the square bracket and then hit a space bar, you will get it. Or you can also use this one, hit a space bar. You can also do this and this, and then hit a space bar. So you will get different types of brackets for matrices. So I'm choosing one from here. Okay. And then I'm going to insert a matrix. So now to insert a matrix, I have to use a matrix template. I want a 3x3 matrix, or so many other options are also available. Sparse matrix option. So I'm going for a 3x3 matrix, right? Where I want to type -b, then press arrow key or a tab. No, arrow key only you have to type. Then 2a, right? And then b square, whatever you want to type, you can type. Okay. So -5, right? Use arrow keys to move from one box to another. Okay. -6, 0.77, 0.866, whatever you want, you can type. And after you come out, press space bar or leave it as it is. So now usually the matrix size is automatically, the bracket size will automatically enlarge. So this is one way to do it. Now, if you want to do summation, insert, equation, you can use any of those templates here. If you want for infinite series and all, you can use an existing template. Right? There are many existing templates here. More templates you will get by clicking these things. You are getting more templates also. Okay. So that is one way. The other way is the other way, so here, for example, you want to do summation. Different summation options are there. You can choose any of those summation options. Okay. So any of those summation options, whichever fits you, you can choose. Otherwise, you can Google for a new template. So, for example, how will you do this? So, okay, I don't like this style. I want this style. Okay, this is one style. This is another style. I will use this style. Now I say, I say, no, x, sorry, x equal to I equal to 1 to n, okay, and I is equal to 1 to n. I want to put an expression like this, okay. A underscore I tab will give you suffix C underscore I tab, and then space bar will give you. So free, you use the space bar underscore for suffix, caret symbol for superscript, and space bar for converting underscore I to suffix I. So then BI, see, it has become BI square. Okay. So this way, the only thing is, the sigma is not so big, but it's better than, I think there may be a possibility to, there is also a possibility to convert to all professional, right? Then you can also import, for example, you click inside and then click here, you can convert it to the linear, right? So you can convert it to all linear. That means all equations have become linear like this. But you want, what you see is what you print kind of thing. Whether you want to do left justification, whether you want to do right justification, center justification, or center as a group, all those things you can do. Now, you can also, for example, any equation, it is possible to export also. You can right click an equation, save as an equation category. You can export it to, yeah, for example, this is Unicode. You can export to LaTeX, right? This has become LaTeX. no, I think that is different. This is text. Okay, this is text. So if it's LaTeX, then you can use LaTeX format. So what is LaTeX? Dot of X is LaTeX, right? Whereas X slash dot is Word. So dot of X, let's see dot of X, dot X, flower bracket. Let me see whether it converts to professional. So it has converted. So you can also import or cut and paste from LaTeX code to Word. There is also a possibility of exporting also. Exporting, you can also export to LaTeX code. I think there is some possibility convert to whatever. So the other way, if I want to, for example, so here, so home, any equation is there. So let me insert equation. Let me insert equation using the Unicode means word style. So X slash dot will give me then X dot, then press once again, it becomes X double dot, X dot. Then Y slash D dot means double dot. Okay. So you also have different dot options by choosing this, right? If you choose this, I can type X triple dot. So this is how you can type some simple equations quickly in Microsoft Word. The same syntax, 95% will work in PowerPoint also because both are from the same company. So in PowerPoint also you can type equations like this. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you, sir.